Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Logitech G Hub stuck on installing. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, search for the Logitech G Hub installer if you haven't already downloaded it. After that, right click the installer and select Run as Administrator. Then temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software that might be blocking the installation. After that, remove any previous installations. Over here, open Control Panel, go to Programs, then Programs and Features. Select Logitech G Hub and click Uninstall. Once uninstalled, restart your computer. Then delete any leftover files. Navigate to cprogram.lgub and delete that folder if it exists. Also, check C users username updater local gub and C users username updater roaming gub for any remaining files and delete them as well. After that, download the latest version of G Hub from the official Logitech website. Then run the installer as administrator again. So that's basically how you can fix Logitech G Hub stuck on installing. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.